Is this how you try to mark an angle? Well, INCRA has a better way. The INCRA Marking Protractor, an easy-to-use precision tool for marking any angle on any workpiece. The red T-bar ensures exact placement along the edge of your work, while the view window makes it easy to find and align with your starting point. And like all INCRA rules, microfine marking holes and slots at every position locate your mark exactly. No effort, no eye strain, perfect accuracy. The red T-bar is removable for using the protractor on the interior of your workpiece. The see-through window aligns the crosshairs. Then place your mark at the interior 5-degree scale, the outer 1-degree scale, or the ultra-fine half-degree scale. You can't miss. And finally, it's a 6-inch centering scale with marking holes and a precision compass too.